creepy! In October this year, we hosted our Halloween Family Fun Night. Prior to October, we did a couple video game nights, the Madden Night 2010 and the NBA 2K11 night that we did with the kids. And in that, we realized that we didn't do anything that included the whole family, so we wanted to do something for the families of the kids that committed to getting their grades up. These youth have showed that they really wanted to start to do better in school, have performed very well at home, so we wanted to have a real nice family event that said thank you for living up to your end of the bargain, so to speak.
We've done game nights for them. We've done basically pizza parties for them. We've done Halloween outing for them the whole day. Took them to a pizza party, took them to see a movie, and also took them to the Haunted Maze, which was very fun. See the little kids running around and stuff, scared. Yeah, it was fun. It was fun.
I went to the Haunted Maze. Yep, cause I fell in the cornfield trying to run for the jigsaw dude. And then I tried to hide in the cornfield and I tried to pop out. And the jigsaw dude, he kept saying, oh, mama, and I dipped.
The Halloween thing. Yes. First, we went to Hidden Cove, had a little pizza party and stuff. Play a little basketball and stuff there. Then we went to go to Movies 10. I went to go see Saw 6. Man, that movie was crazy.
It got to be the movies because the movies, we got to go outside and we got to, explore a little bit around Bradley, Kankakee, and it was just a good place to, connect and talk to people. So, I like the movies because, we saw a good movie and we also went to Hidden Cove and we went to a haunted maze.
What's up, Pat? Where we at, Pat?
We at Splash Valley.
What we doing?
Going to the haunted car maze. Well, maze.
Movie. Now y'all told me this stupid story. And
you hear about Johnny?
Yeah, she know about it. I didn't know about it.
Tell that little boy.
What you scared of?
Man, I'm scared of Johnny, dude. I don't even know him. I'm standing outside. I don't care if somebody comes snatch me up. I'm not going in them cornfields.
You're going to be running like a little girl.
Yes,
you are. I can see you.
I'm finally going to see Jigsaw. This is awesome. Yes, it is.
Okay, is this everybody? Yeah. Okay, so we can start walking. So a couple rules. They're not going to touch you. They're not allowed to touch you. They can chase you. They can yell at you. Whatever, but they're not going to touch you.
Short another corn.
Wow, you can't see all the nice sticks.
Come on.
I'm waiting on you. I'm right here. You failed that.
I remember going to the cornfield one year, man, and falling in the mud in the ditch.
They right in the middle of it. We need to spray it out. It is something over there.
Anybody there? Mama.
No!
You scared me!
You gotta move! You gotta move! You gotta move! You gotta move! Man, this dude is creepy. Come on, dog. You're creepy. I'm ready to go back to the office. Hey. I should have tied up my shoes. Oh, shoot.
Where my baby go? They up there, I can hear him.
I bet that jigsaw dude was scared.
Oh, shoot.
That's scary. Is this?
This way, this way, this way.
It's going this way, y'all. Who that?
Hey, I want to be.
Right. Save yourself. Look, somebody just ran right in front of us. I see you. I see you. Forget this. How do you get out of here? Oh, shoot. How do you get out of this bus?
Yeah, we made it.
Where Kaya?
I don't know. He up there already.
Oh, wow. What the hell? Oh, shit.
Grab the leg. Where are you going? We're out in my basement.
Man, if we had those spikes, we would never got them out of there. We got lost like 5 times. One time.
Saw dude scared you?
No, man. That zombie old lady that was following me around the whole time. Bird! Hey, Bird! Check the
We at the AON Center for Community Arts and Development.
I want to get in there.
We just want to say thank you so much for allowing us to come in, giving us those passes. It really made a difference for our day. That Jigsaw guy, who was your favorite person?
Jigsaw!
Jigsaw dude, you are incredible. Everybody, give them guys a hand. Everybody. Thank you, Splash Valley. Thank you, Kankakee Valley Park District. We really appreciate it.